Hello guys, this is Shreyansh and I'll be guiding you through your trading and investment journey. In this video, I'll make you familiar with the do's and don'ts for a beginner in crypto investments. So in this video, I'll talk about the do's part and I'll make a separate video on the don'ts. And I'm pretty sure these tips will help you massively in your crypto investment. So the first point is disciplinary investing. Discipline is very important, be it life or finance. But what does disciplinary investing mean? Suppose you have to create your own way of trading or investing and just stick to that. Do not void your rules and regulations. Suppose you've entered a coin and by some reason you started making losses. So according to your rules and regulation, if you are meant to stop the loss, just stop it. Or if you want to stick to that coin and wait for the reversal, just stick to that. Do not void your rules. Just like do not start buying more and more as the price is depreciating. Do not do that. Just stick to your rules and regulations. Do not void them. I'm continuously saying this because this is highly important. Also, make sure that your way of trading or investment is logical enough to generate profits. And now you might be thinking that why am I not telling my way of trading? So if you want to know that, just drop in a comment and I'll make a separate video on that. So the second point is don't buy the dip. Now you might be hearing this from a long time that buy the dip. But what I am saying is buy the reversal. Now what does that mean? I'll show it on the graph. So this is the graph of MBL USDT or movie block. So suppose you are, and also this is not a suggestion or a tip, this is just for example. So suppose you've started viewing this coin at this level, something around 0.014, and now that you are tracking this coin and this coin has made a dip and you see that it has hit a level of 0.127. and you thought that I should buy this. So this is the point where most investors make a mistake buying the dip. What I am saying is buy the reversal. So what should be your point of buying? It is somewhere here where the dip has ended and the reversal has started. So what is the reversal point? When the dip has ended. So the third point is notice trends. So what does trends mean? It means each coin has its way of trading. Like each coin has its support levels or its resistance. So I'm talking about this coin STMX, right? So there is a support level at 0.26. So there are various times that this coin had tried to break down the support, but it did not. Like this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth time that it tried to break down, but it did not. So this is a type of pattern it is making, and it has some resistance. Like this is a resistance point like 0.035. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It has tried to break out the resistance, but it did not. So this is a trend. It is following. Also, don't think that you'll track the coin for 4 days and you'll notice the trend, and the 5th day you'll buy it, and by the 8th day you will make profits. No, it will not happen like that. You need to notice the trends with time. You need to invest time in noticing trends and patterns on trading. So the fourth point is don't buy shit coins. Shit coins like Shiba Inu, which are just meme coins and they are made out of fun. There are no basic fundamentals and they are used just for pump and dump the volumes. Now what do I suggest? I suggest you to buy altcoins. Altcoins are alternative coins to Bitcoin. These coins have some basic fundamental business in them. Suppose let's talk about XRP. XRP is used for payment settlements or asset changes. And there is another coin named IOTX. So this coin is used for connecting IoT or Internet of Things to decentralized apps. So these coins have some fundamentals. So they are going to make business. but these shit coins are just useless. Suppose I'll show some spotlight. Okay, so these coins, Shibelon, MetaPets, or Mars, SpaceX, all these coins are just shit coins. Don't invest in these coins. You will make huge losses and you cannot bear that. Now, the last point is diversify your portfolio. Suppose you know a coin named XRP and you know that it is a good coin and you should invest in that. So now that you've got, suppose, a budget of $100, so you don't need to go all in. You don't need to buy $100 of XRP. This will not make you profitable. Now, what do I suggest? Just split those $100 in, suppose, 10, 10, 10, 10, and invest in 10 different coins. So because you don't know which coin will make profits or which coin will make losses, you need to diversify your portfolio to generate higher profits. So that's it for this video, and I feel this was one of the most important videos of this series. And don't just watch this video like any other movie and just forget it. Write down the points, jot them down so that it fits in your head and you don't make any mistakes. Also, I've put in the Google form in the description box below so that you could send your doubts and problems. And thanks for watching.